How to replace your USAA bank's credit card and then get a new one. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can replace your USAA bank's credit card and then order a new one. So to do that, first of all, open up the USAA bank's application on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where first of all you'll have to select your account. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option My Card. Now you will be taken to this page where you can see just under Add to Apple Wallet three different options. You can either block the card, replace the card, or travel notice. So since we are here to replace our card, we'll simply tap on the second option, which is Replace Card. And now you'll have to select a reason as to why you are replacing your card. So you can choose any one of these three options. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to select your lost or stolen cards. Now once you've done that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on the option Next. Now you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to enter a new PIN for your credit card. After that, you'll have to verify your mailing address. So simply go through all of the details and then you will be taken to another page where you'll have to scroll down, and then once you tap on the option Done, you will have successfully ordered a new credit card. So that is basically how you replace your old USAA Bank's credit card and then order a new one. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.